My name is Jeanine Petel, and I'm from Seashelt. I was born there and raised there for a few years as an infant until we were moved to Coquitlam. We lived there for a short period until we moved to Kamloops, where we lived with family and my grandma and my other grandma and a lot of my aunties and cousins. I finished the first year ECE and the second year infant toddler early childhood education. It was really fun, and I learned a lot about myself with the teachers helping, and it was really great because it was like its own community. I would join the Student Leadership Council, and we got to do like bake sales and cool things where we got to sell and like meet everyone in the college, and then you kind of all know each other through all these little events. I became best friends with some of the women that were in my class, and now we still talk, and so it's cool to still know. She tells me, they're good and all that. So, well, it was really unexpected, and I didn't know about it. And then I was really thinking about like what it means, and it's a great honor, and I love that I'm still attached to the school because I was going to reach out to Tammy and ask her how I can still be involved and taking certain dates off like a year to be involved in events like this. So I was really, it just kind of came together, and it was really, what's the word, like coincidental? I don't know. Now I've been working for 9 months in a daycare. I love it. I love the children and getting to know all of them and their little lives and their families, and their parents are all great, and it's so much more rewarding than you really understand in college. You think like they scare you with like illnesses and like diapers and things like that, but you don't really get to focus so much on the families and the cultural aspects of learning everyone, because you're not allowed to really touch on that as a student. But then when you have your own daycare or your own preschool and you're getting to know everyone, it's really fulfilling. And just learning like safety and what that really means, and trust also. They believe in me, and they want me to take another course so that I can like be a leader. So they are looking in for courses so that I can like become a team leader as well. So that's really great for them to believe in me, because growing up, not everyone always believes in you, and you have some people that are always going to say things, but you get past that because I went to college, and then everything that I've done, I just kind of just start believing in yourself, and then it feels really great because then you win things like awards and people notice you, and hard work pays off. Exactly. Going 2 years of college and being broke and eating like Ichiban, and then having a great job and rewards and benefits and getting glasses. I really respected all my teachers, and they all really helped me, and they're all super different in different ways, and I can imagine how great they were as teachers themselves for children and now as for adults. But John in the rec room there, he was very helpful for before and after school, and he always cheered me up or had lots of comforting like words, and he was always really inspiring, and he helped me with my books and my English, and I really appreciated his help.